The TIPM fuel pump relay failure is a notorious issue on many Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles. The engine cranks over normally, but completely refuses to start because the internal relay is burned out. Replacing the entire TIPM fuse box is incredibly expensive and often unnecessary for this single failure. The internal fuel pump relay is soldered directly to the circuit board, making it hard to access. You can bypass this failed internal component using a simple external relay kit. To start the bypass process, locate the TIPM under the hood and remove the plastic cover. You will need to identify the correct fuse slot for your specific vehicle year and model. This is most commonly the M25 fuse slot dedicated to the fuel pump. Remove the existing fuse from the designated slot to prepare the circuit. The bypass cable comes with a new fuse tap built directly into the wiring harness. Insert the bypass cable firmly into the empty M25 slot to establish the new connection. Next, you must route the other end of the bypass cable to a continuous power source. The easiest and most reliable method is connecting the ring terminal directly to the positive battery post. You can also connect it to the main positive terminal lug located on the TIPM itself. This external wire now provides a dedicated and clean power feed directly to the fuel pump. It completely ignores the faulty relay buried deep inside the fuse box. Your vehicle will now receive the proper fuel pressure required to start and run flawlessly. Secure the new external relay and wiring with zip ties to prevent them from vibrating or moving around. Make sure the TIPM cover can close securely without pinching any of the new bypass wires. This simple setup offers a permanent and reliable fix for the fuel system.